Very often when people come in, the first thing they tell me is, I know my spouse is hiding money. He's been hiding it for years. I don't know where it is, and I want you to try to find every last dime that I'm entitled to. Well, here's what I can tell you up front. It's expensive to do that type of forensic discovery. And unless you really have a good reason to believe that your spouse is hiding money, it may not be worth the effort. On the other hand, if you do, and if it's clear that the spouse has been diverting funds, we work with a team of experts who can help us ferret out where the money is and make sure you get everything you're entitled to. So how do you know? Well, there's certain indicators of it, and we can cover those in detail because every case is different. So when you come to see me, I will spend some time going over that. But in complete honesty, I will tell you that if somebody has engaged in a long-term pattern of hiding money, we won't find it all, or it won't be worth your time and money looking for all of it. Some of the things we look at in trying to determine whether a spouse is truly hiding money or not is what kind of business they're in. If they're in a cash business, then it's more likely than not than they have been diverting funds. On the other hand, if they're a W-2 employee or work for a large corporation, then it's unlikely that we will not be able to trace the funds because it will have to go through financial institutions. The most difficult situation is where a spouse owns their own business. Because they own their own business, the way they're generally hiding money or hiding income is by paying personal expenses through the business. And that takes the help of a forensic accountant, and we work with some of the best to figure out what's what and what the true income is. Not every case deserves it, but we'll cover that in great detail during your consultation. All your questions will get answered, and if they're hiding money and anybody can find it, our team can. If you have questions, give us a call. We'd be glad to answer them.